They say they go call Sam Larry leg comot. So Sam Larry go sit down for the wheelchair, wait for beat Mohbad. That's what they do for you. Kama do they quit reach Nigeria like this? You salubwami. He go sit down for the wheelchair. He go there alive, you know, if he waka.
Hello, my people. May una well done. No. Anytime we una dey see this video, now another new update about Sam Larry serious accident. Now in be this lady talk plenty things for inside this video. She talk a lot of things. She talk wetin she see. Waiting be the secret where she see. So many things where she see. Now in this they talk for inside this video. We go still give an opportunity to watch the full video. But this lady talk so many things. We ain't talk how they carry the bouncer, carry Sam Larry reach hospital. Where person still slap the bouncer. Person we don't buy. Let's watch this video.
Who do this one? You see why they pray to my mother? Because me, I believe in ancestors. So, that's what they do for you. Wow. You see why I know they wish some people rest in peace. A Sam Larry bodyguard in here what they war way pass. They show video where one guy for patiently, innocently just the record. Now so he slap him. Why? Now Sam Larry can't even they feel talk say, hey guy, kilo shele. Why now Sam Larry do like this? Not be so that they do one before. Because they see camera. Sam Larry say, hey, why now? Because they see camera. Now so that they do one before. They are arrogant. They are bitters. They are evil. I will break your leg. You will not come out from this Abuja. That's their gang. That's who they are. A violent group. Hey, God. Hey. For the other one, I just be sorry for him because of my faith. I'm not talking anything, but the one where something happened to now, we go got talk to now. You're going to sit on the wheelchair where you forbid Mohbad? I'm not mocking you, boy. What you sow, you shall reap. What you sow, you... I'm a firm believer of what you sow, you reap. I also believe the good or the bad way you do, your children will reap it. You don't understand? Reliable. So why are you doing like that? Nobody know tomorrow. God punish you. A useless person. If Mohbad was your brother, you want everybody to buy. You don't understand? You don't understand? If Mohbad was your brother, if Liam was your brother's child, you they look Liam every day, looking more like his father every single day. You go miss your brother and you want everybody to... That's what they do for you. We know they forgive for this side though. What you sow, you reap. You know how space it don't buy. People will offend and people will do bad. Everybody's not guilty. But if they are alive, if you can't apologize and say you are sorry, even if not be the buyer, you understand what I mean? But the video we saw, the emotion, everything is still raw. Do you know that guy has not been buried till now? If they go check Mohbad now, so you go big, go don't shrink finish. Yeah, the father refused to bury him. I don't know if he's buried him now, but everybody, you just want everybody, including Papa, you want everybody to pay. You don't understand? So now they do for yeah. Now they do for yeah. Now this can come at me they like. You understand? Yeah, well. We don't wish rest in peace. We don't wish good luck. We just say, have the day and the life you deserve.